How much should you actually spend on garage door lubricant? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1:3IN, 1 professional garage door lubricant. The first product on my list is the 3IN 1 professional garage door lubricant. Priced at around $14.07 for a 2-pack. This caught my attention with its impressive 4.7-star rating from over 19,000 reviews. If you want your garage doors to operate smoothly and quietly, this is worth a serious look. This lubricant features a smart straw that allows you to spray in 2 different ways, giving you precision or a wider spray. It prevents rust, corrosion, and squeaking, which is essential because you don't want your garage door sounding like it's complaining every time it opens. The quick-drying formula means you won't have to deal with sticky residue that attracts dirt. It's designed for both residential and professional use, so it can handle even the heaviest garage doors. Now, some users mentioned that they felt the spray nozzle could be a bit tricky to handle at times. Here's the thing, though. If you're careful and take a moment to adjust, it's really not a deal breaker. Plus, the convenience of a smart straw makes it easy to apply in tight spaces. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, high-quality lubricant that keeps your garage door parts in top shape. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra cheap, as you get what you pay for with lubricants. Now, if a nozzle issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, 3IN 1 garage door lubricant 6-pack. Next up is the 3IN 1 garage door lubricant 6-pack, retailing for about $40.50. With the same solid 4.7-star rating, it's a great bulk option. If you want consistent, smooth garage door operation over time, this is a fantastic choice. This lubricant minimizes friction across all garage door systems, making it ideal for both residential and commercial use. The no-mess formula dries quickly and doesn't leave behind any residue that can accumulate dirt. The permanently attached straw allows you to switch between a precision stream or fan spray, which means less hassle for you when applying it in various spots. However, some folks might find the price point a bit high, especially if they only need a single bottle. But here's the deal. If you have multiple garage doors or want to stock up, buying in bulk saves you money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you maintain multiple garage doors or want to keep a good supply on hand. Skip this if you just need a one-time fix and want to save a few bucks. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tight budgets. Product number 3, CRC Heavy Duty Silicone Lubricant. Now, let's talk about the CRC Heavy Duty Silicone Lubricant, priced at around $11.30. This one has a strong 4.7-star rating as well, with over 4,400 reviews. If you need something versatile for various surfaces, this is worth checking out. This silicone lubricant is designed to leave no residue, which is a big plus since you wouldn't want any gunk building up over time. It works well on garage doors, but it's also useful for other applications like squeaky hinges or even rubber seals. The clear, colorless liquid means it won't stain your surfaces, making it a practical choice for home use. On the downside, some users reported that it takes a little longer to dry compared to other products. But here's the thing. If you're using it in a less active area, the extra drying time isn't a major concern. It does its job effectively, which is what matters. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a multi-use lubricant that can tackle various issues around the house. Skip this if you specifically need a quick drying formula for your garage door alone. Now, if the drying time isn't a deal breaker for you, wait until you hear about the next product that focuses on noise reduction. Product number 4, 3IN 1 garage door lubricant. Next up is another option from 3IN 1. This time their garage door lubricant for just $7.18. With a 4.7-star rating and 10,000 units sold recently, it's hard to overlook this one. If you're after a straightforward, efficient lubricant, this is definitely worth a shot. This spray lubricant is high-performance and fast-drying, perfect for garage doors. It has a quick-drying, non-sticky application, ensuring that dirt doesn't cling to your door parts. Like the others, it's designed to lubricate and protect metal components, so you can enjoy silent operation without worrying about rust. However, some users have mentioned that the spray can be inconsistent at times. Here's my take. While that can be a bit frustrating, the price and ease of use make it a solid choice for most homeowners who don't want to deal with complicated applications. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable lubricant that gets the job done without fuss. Skip this if you prefer a more precise application method. Now, if the inconsistency in spray bothered you, the last product on our list is specifically designed for one type of garage door. Product number 5, Genie Screw Drive Lube. Finally, we have the Genie Screw Drive Lube, which comes in a 3-pack for about $16.68. With a solid 4.6 star rating, this is the recommended lubricant for Genie garage door openers. If you have a Genie opener and want to reduce noise, this product is a must-have. This lubricant is specifically designed for Genie screw drive opener rails, ensuring smooth operation and reduced noise. It's really easy to apply, and just one tube will lubricate an entire screw drive, which is a fantastic value. Regular use enhances the performance of your garage door opener, and since it's recommended to apply it once a year, you won't find yourself buying more than you need. One thing to note is that it's not universal, meaning it won't be suitable for all garage door systems. But if you own a Genie opener, this is definitely worth it because it addresses the specific needs of that system. This is perfect for you if you want to maintain a quiet and efficient Genie garage door opener. Skip this if you have a different brand or style of opener. In terms of value, it's a great investment for keeping your Genie door operating smoothly. To wrap things up, we've seen some solid options. The 3-in-1 Professional Garage Door Lubricant, the Bulk 3-in-1 6-pack, the versatile CRC Heavy-Duty Silicone Lubricant, another effective 3-in-1 option, and finally, the Genie Screw Drive Lube for specific systems. Each has its strengths, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs.